This is the Auto West space station here. There you go. We have our car wash in the front. There you go now. Go, go, go. Ooh, let's see what's gonna happen. Drive forward. Please drive forward. Look at that soup one. Oh, pretty color. Let's gonna do what's gonna happen now. This is the car wash. You just pay $15 and then you just sit down and relax. And then your car gonna be ooh, look at that. Rolling, rolling. Oh, where I am now. Where I am now. Pretty color, see? There you go. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, God. Oh, what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen? Okay, take a big breath. Oh, it looks like raining inside. We are inside in the car. I supposed to out. It looks like we are running. Smarter, cleaner, greener. Oh yeah, it's like raining. And it looks like we are moving, even though the car is not moving. It's so funny. Oh. It looks like turbulence. Turbulence in the car. There you go again. There you go again. You're gonna clean the car. This is the way. You just pay $15 and your car gonna be shiny. Oh, look at that. It looks like there's turbulence here. Uh-oh. We're done. Thank you. Wow, thank you. You're done. Oh, that's pretty. We're done. We're washing. So good. Did you hear that sound? So loud sounds like rain, but it's gonna be lucrative. See? That's the one.